Three white soldiers. Now, soldiers, we all know, means a bull run. Because whenever there are soldiers, it means win. Winning is around. Now, three white soldiers pattern is considered to be extremely bullish. If you have bought something and you're seeing three white soldiers candlestick on chart, then remember you have done the best decision. It consists of three long green candlesticks with high and higher closes. Usually the highs are like getting higher and higher, and the closing prices are near or at their highs. When it happens on the bottom, then it is considered as a bottom reversal signal. So it means that the bottom is formed and now you will be seeing higher highs. Now remember, these three candlesticks are not small candlesticks. They're large or medium-sized candlestick. Now I will show you three white soldiers on charts so that you can see how they like come up and how the change in trend happens. Three white soldiers. Now this is also another popular pattern that comes in every few weeks, every few days. This is a pattern that is the money making pattern, and it comes in every time to give you money, easy money. Now the first thing is what I call on the low. If this pattern comes on the low, remember that the fall has stopped. Now how can this pattern comes? That's a really important thing. Example right here. This close is 1538. The high is 1538. The next day it closes at 1569 and the high is 1579. And the third day the high is exceeded. Just look at it, 1582. It has exceeded by 3 cents. The previous close was 1569. This closes 1569. Now, why I have picked these three candles? Because these are not the three white soldiers. Remember this. These are not. So, don't fall into this trap. This third candle should have closed higher. Then they would have been considered three good soldiers. Just look at it here. Now these are not green candles. These three are not green candles. This is a red candle. But if you ignore the colors, this closes 1195 and the high is 1203. This closes 1225. High is again higher, 1239. And this is again higher closing, 1256. And the high is 1269, which is higher than the previous high. Now this was a free fall. Whenever this thing happens, it means that the fall has stopped and now an uptrend will come, and that's exactly what happens. Now here, I told you this was not the three white soldiers, but whenever on a fall, you see these three candles that have a higher highs and a higher closes, then usually it means that the fall has stopped and a rise is coming, and that's exactly what happens. However, the rule of thumb is the three white soldiers, the low of the third or the first white soldier should never be broken. Rule number 1. If it breaks, there is something wrong. Get out. Don't fall into the trap. As simple as that. This is again three white soldiers. The high closes are higher and the highs are higher, and it jumps back up. So it's simple. Whenever you see that, you can make easy money. There are other patterns, example engulfing bearish, which we will discuss afterward. Thank you.